So this next one is the Nexus Pro, and it is a pump action short dart shooting gun, and it shoots pretty hard. And a little thing that I've done is I've taped these two magazines so I can go ahead and lift them. And the other cool things is adjustable stock, multiple ways to release your magazine, so you can release it right here or right here. It comes with this. This is the barrel attachment that actually helps the dart move, and it's metal barrel, just like this one. This one's a metal barrel too. And it's a pretty good sidearm for it.